is vulnerable to stress, injury, and arthritis. Cartilage on the shoulder bones wears away, and painful bone-on-bone rubbing occurs. The total shoulder replacement surgery replaces all or part of the shoulder joint, relieving pain and restoring movement. To begin, you will be seated in a reclined position for the surgery. The surgeon makes an incision approximately 6 inches long on the front of the shoulder to allow access to the joint and damaged cartilage. The damaged head of the arm, called the humerus, is removed, and the humerus is prepared for the implant. The bone socket is then exposed, and damaged cartilage is removed. A hole is made for the implant to fit in. The implant is cemented into place, and the arm implant is inserted. The surgeon sutures the incision in the skin and applies a soft dressing.